and television. Having worked with some of the biggest names in Bollywood in several big projects, Delnaz is today more popularly recognized as the face of Bigg Boss 6, who fought it out for 93 days in it and emerging 6th in the race for the title. Hats off to you, Delnaz. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands once again for Delnaz. Delnaz, may I request you to kindly come and share a few words with our audience.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I thank you, Mr. Abhishek Bachchan, for giving me this honor. I really thank all the jury members. Thank you so much. I've worked with most of them. I love you, Kaku Bhaiya. Rakesh Vedi, I call him Kaku Bhaiya. Okay. I thank you for giving me this honor truly. And it feels so nice when people say, we wanted you to win Bigg Boss. And I didn't win the show for many, many reasons. I don't know. But I've got so many awards for Bigg Boss, and that really inspires me that all said and done, hard work, determination, and grit can get you all the way to all the awards. Thank you so much. I would again like to quote what Chanakya said. I thank all those who left me because they taught me I can do it alone. Thank you.
Very, very well said, Delnaz. And of course, for me and for all your other fans, you were absolutely a winner of Bigg Boss. Well, ladies and gentlemen, yes, it's time to announce our next winner. And our next winner is Mr. S.D. Agarwal. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a huge round of applause. Whenever the success story of Blaze Flash is recalled, it goes without saying that the tireless efforts and distinguished skills of this dynamic personality simply cannot be ignored, for the simple reason that all the glory that is presently being showered upon Blaze Flash is mainly due to his absolute dedication, sincere hard work on the day-to-day basis, which has taken it to its present heights of glory. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together once again to felicitate Mr. S.D. Agarwal. Congratulations, sir, and my dear friends. The next award goes to Dr. Jaiprakash Sharma, well popularly known as the Lal Dhage Wale. He is not around? Dr. Jaiprakash Sharma, are you around? We just saw him. No worries, no worries. We would felicitate him in some time. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to felicitate my favorite actor, Mr. Prashant Narayanan. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Mr. Prashant. Well, after his stint in Delhi with a theatre group called Act 1, Prashant Narayanan shifted to Mumbai in 1991 and started as an assistant art director for films like Govind Nihalani's Rukwamati Ki Haveli, Subhash Ghai Saudagar, and Shyam Benegal's Sardari Begum. He soon got several television shows like Parivartan, Farz, Gatha, Kabhi Kabhi, and Shagun. In 2003, Narayanan played the lead role in Academy Award-winning German director Florian Gallenberger's film Shadows of Time, and in 2011 he played the role of Dheeresh Pandey in the movie Murder 2, and Prashant is acting in a Malayalam film directed by renowned Malayalam director Lenin Rajendran. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together once again for Mr. Prashant. And Prashant, can we have the pleasure of hearing out from you?
Good evening, everybody. I'm really honored with this award, and I would like to thank Abhishek and Jyoti for having me over here, and I hope it's recognized more in the coming years. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Prashant. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have amidst us the gracious presence of Dr. Jayaprakash Sharma, and we would like to felicitate him with the bouquet and, of course, present the award to, well, he is popularly known as the Lal Dhage Wale. Dr. Jayaprakash Sharma is a well-known astrologer whose accurate predictions has earned him much fame and is much in demand, not only by the lower segment but also the top rung of people. He has written numerous books on astrology, and he has to his credit more than 400 articles published in various newspapers and magazines, and also has been honored with numerous coveted awards. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together once again to felicitate Dr. Jayaprakash Sharma. Hearty congratulations, sir, and we are really honored to have you here with us. Congratulations once again. Well, my dear friends, moving further, it's now time to felicitate the beautiful and absolutely stunning Sarah Jane Dias, a Miss India Woman title winner at the age of 14 in 1997, and at the age of 21, she won a talent hunt TV show which gave her a chance to host a Channel V show. She then became the host of Get Gorgeous, a supermodel hunt TV show on the network, and in 2006, Dias made her acting debut in Bride's Wanted, where she played the groom's best friend who helps him in his bride hunt. And she has also won the title of Femina Miss India World 2007. Dias scored her first major film role in 2010 Tamil romantic comedy. She then signed on for Game, her Bollywood debut opposite Abhishek Bachchan. She recently appeared in Hindi movie Kya Super Cool Hai Hum opposite Ritesh Deshmukh in 2012. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give this lovely lady a huge round of applause. Well, Sarah, our audience is very eager to hear it out from you.
Good evening, everyone. This is a rare honor. Thank you, Abhishek, very much for this. I consider myself very lucky to be here amongst other people who are so well achieved. And I'm not going to put this down all night, or maybe for the rest of the year. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sarah, for these wonderful words. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the next award goes to Ms. Sushma Rani Chugh. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give this lady a huge round of applause. For her outstanding contribution to the field of education, she is the principal of Government College of Nursing, Jaipur. With over 30 years of experience in teaching field, she has to her credit a number of prestigious awards for her 3 decades of dedicated services in her chosen field of activity. My dear friends, let's have a huge round of applause once again and felicitate Ms. Sushma Rani Chugh.
Rise up, rise up, rise up.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Rise up,
Friends, moving further, the next award goes to Miss Hina Kumawat. Well, Hina Kumawat again is a name to reckon with in the field of journalism. This award goes to her in recognition of her outstanding contribution to the visual media as a prolific journalist with the high-profile P7 News. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it out for Hina Kumawat. Congratulations, Hina, once again. Congratulations. Well, and the next award goes to Abhika S. Gore. Is she around? Okay, she is not around, so we would present the award to her later on. Well, my dear friends, the next award goes to Mr. Abhishek Sharma. Again, he is not present. Oh, he is there. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together to welcome Mr. Abhishek Sharma. Well, Abhishek Sharma is a name to reckon with in the field of journalism again. This award goes to him in recognition of his outstanding contribution to the visual media as a prolific journalist with the high-profile India News. My dear friends, let's put our hands together and felicitate Mr. Abhishek Sharma. Congratulations, sir. Moving further, the next award goes to Miss Surbhi Jyoti. Is she around? Surbhi Jyoti? Well, she is not. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, it's now the moment to felicitate our one and only one, Geet Sagar. Well, 27-year-old Geet Sagar won the title of X Factor India. He started his career as a radio jockey for Lemon 91.1 FM radio station, and from a very early age, Geet Sagar had a burning passion for music. Today, he is a much sought after singer. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together and felicitate Geet Sagar. Congratulations. Going further, well, now it's time to announce the winners of the International Gold Star Achiever Awards in various categories. And it's really an honor for me to invite and, of course, to announce the name of our first winner. Well, the award goes to none other than Padma Shri Pinaz Masani ji. Beautiful and graceful lady needs absolutely no introduction, as her contribution to the world of ghazals is indeed tremendous. Blessed with a golden voice, she has virtually charmed millions through her innumerable albums, which have made her a force to reckon within the music world. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for Padma Shri Pinaz Masani ji? Hearty congratulations, and ma'am, we are really honored to have you here with us, and may I request you to kindly come forward and... Okay, so, well, my dear friends, I'm sure all of you would want to hear it out from her, but we would have that later on. Moving further, the next award goes to Black Dog, and I would request Mr. Vasant Bhandari to kindly come on behalf of Black Dog to receive the award. Well, in recognition of it being the #1 liquor company in India and for the best events done by a liquor company. Tell them everything is gonna be alright. Congratulations, sir. And it's now time to announce our next awardee, and the award goes to G. Rishita. Well, do we have Rishita around? Yes, we do. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give this lovely lady a huge round of applause. Well, Rishita's Slim and Care has come a long way, creating a niche in the health and care world. Its holistic approach and blending of ancient therapies helps to stand out and give that extra zing to their clients. My dear friends, let's welcome and felicitate Miss Rishita with a huge round of applause once again. Everybody join together now. One voice, one heart, love and unity. Everybody say. Hearty congratulations to you, Rishita. Thank you so much. And the next award goes to Dr. Santosh Kumar Rai for his excellence in education and training people with communication, interpersonal skills, and motivating employees of various organizations in large numbers. He has several recognitions for his service. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Dr. Santosh Kumar Rai once again. Congratulations, sir. My dear friends, it's now time to announce the winner of our next award, and again, my really favorite actor, none other than Miss Indira Krishnan. Well, Indira Krishnan switched over to acting in TV serials after her brief stint in films. Her stint with TV not only fetched her a nice husband in the form of cameraman cum director Mr. Rajesh Ransinghe, but she has also been able to ensconce herself as a formidable actor with quite a few serials, including Shararat, Ek Ladki, and Johnny Singh Singh, and she is lately dominating the TV scenario with a powerful role in Palko Ki Chhaav Mein. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it all for Miss Indira Krishnan once again. May I now request Miss Indira to kindly come forward and share a few words with our audience.
नमस्कार सभी लोगों को। मैंने एक पॉपुलर शो किया था कृष्णा बेन खाकरा वाला, शायद लोगों को याद है, लेकिन उस दौरान मैंने एक बात ज़रूर सीखी है और वो है कि ज़िंदगी और खाकरा आग से गुजरकर ही रंग लाते हैं। तो ये एक्टिंग का आग अभी भी है और जारी रहेगा, and I don't want to take too much time. Thank you so much, Abhishek. I've been regularly coming for this award every year and religiously, yes. And it's an honor to be here. Thank you so much, Raza ji, Rakesh ji, Pinaz ji. You look lovely. Thank you so much, everybody.
Well, ma'am, it's an honor for us to have you here. Thank you so very much for these wonderful words. Ladies and gentlemen, our next award goes to Rashmi Desai. Well, do we have anyone on her behalf to kindly come and pick up the award? No? Okay, no problem. My dear friends, moving further, it's now time to felicitate Disha Chaudhary. Is Disha around? No? Okay. So we will be presenting her award in some time. And again, time to felicitate again my really favorite actor, comedian, and multi-talented personality, none other than Mr. Sunil Paul. Well, Sunil Paul is an all-in-one actor who specializes not only in stand-up comedy but also emotional roles. So he has been tried as a comedian after acting in Bombay to Goa, which was a remake of the 70s hit Bombay to Goa. Sunil Paul tried his hand at direction with Bhavna Uko Sanjako, and today he is a quite popular actor who is seen in quite a few films as well as comedy shows on TV. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for this multi-talented personality with us. Congratulations, sir. And my dear friends, the next award goes to Miss Vibha Kaur Bhatt. Hats off to this young charming lady who is brilliant editing and anchoring on the show Saas Bahu or Sajish on Star News has earned a lot of recognition and appreciation from the TV viewers. It is the inherent talent in her that has taken her so far, and she's bound to reach greater heights and achieve commendable success in times to come. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together once again and felicitate Ms. Vibha Kaur Bhatt. Congratulations, ma'am. Moving further, the next winner of Golden Achiever Award is Mr. Nandish Sandhu. Okay, do we have him around? Do we have someone who can pick up the award on his behalf? No? Okay, my dear friends, it's now time to felicitate and welcome on stage Mr. Rajiv Nigam. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Mr. Rajiv. Well, Rajiv Nigam is a well-known stand-up comedian who can be on par with the stand-up comedians all over the globe and was the first runner-up of the Great India Laughter Challenge Season 2. Rajiv is one comic guy who has amazing power of creating some of the healthy satirical jokes based on current topics and issues. Over the last 15 years, Rajiv Nigam has gained in popularity with various shows like Movers and Shakers, Carry On Shaker, Pole Khol, etc., and has also been seen in films like Bhavna Uko Sanjako and can easily be bracketed as one of the major brand names as far as comedy is concerned on television today. Ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen, let's give him a huge round of applause once again. Well, and the next award goes to Vasudeva Bhattar. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcoming Mr. Vasudeva Bhattacharya. He is a learned scholar who has 30 years of preaching experience in prominent temples across Bengaluru. Having studied the Vedas, he is putting it to good use by spreading his wisdom to his disciples, of which there is no shortage, as his fame has spread far and wide as an accurate Jyotish Shastri. He has been honored with many awards nationally and internationally. My dear friends, I would request one and all to kindly give a big hand to Mr. Vasudeva Bhattacharya. Congratulations, sir. Friends, moving further, our next award goes to Dr. Rizwan G.M. Thakur. Well, he is a man meticulously involved with the medical fraternity and the sphere of business revolves around the medical infrastructure in hospitals, not only in India, but the world over. He has earned many laurels for his contribution to this field and is a much sought after man by the medical fraternity. My dear friends, I would request one and all to kindly put your hands together to felicitate Dr. Rizwan G.M. Thakur. Congratulations, sir, and may I now have the honor of inviting on stage and felicitating Miss Meghna Malik. Well, I think Meghna, he is not around. Sorry, ma'am, I didn't see you, ladies and gentlemen. Meghna Malik is popularly known as the high-handed Ammaji of Naana is Desh Lado, a show focusing on female infanticide and other atrocities against women. She obtained her master's degree in English from Kurukshetra University and graduated from NSD New Delhi. She performed in various plays under the repertory company of NSD. She has worked in serials like Radha Ki Beti Kuch Kar Dikhai Di, Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai, Tujhko Hai Salam Zindagi, Kagaz Ki Kashti, and she has also featured in the movie Tare Zameen Par as maths teacher. May we request Meghna ji to kindly come forward and share a few words with our audience.
Good evening, everyone. मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ ऑर्गेनाइजर्स की खास तौर से अभिषेक जी की. इनका प्रेम है जो ये निरंतर संपर्क में बने रहते हैं और आज भी वही प्रेम है जो खींच लाया. और मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी अपने दर्शकों का और यहाँ मौजूद the other distinguished guests and the fellow awardees. It's an honor to be here. And it's an honor to share this space with you all. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Parag, who is the channel head of IBN7 Mumbai, and it is for his conviction in whatever he does as a far-sighted journalist that he stands to be felicitated today for his outstanding and remarkable career graph in the field of media. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for Mr. Parag once again.
Well, friends, it's now time to invite on stage and felicitate a very beautiful and cute little actor, none other than Miss Tina Datta. And to felicitate her, may I also invite on stage Mr. Yogesh Lakhani from Bright Advertising. Well, Tina Datta hails from a Bengali family and has acted in quite a lot of Bengali films. Tina Datta shot to fame with her popular role in the famous television serial Uttaran as Icha, and she has made her debut as an actress with the Bengali movie Chokarbadi with Aishwarya Rai when she was just 12. Tina has also, to her credit, quite a few successful shows on television like Koi Aane Ko Hai, Comedy Circus and Ahad. And Tina Datta played teenage Lolita in the Hindi film Parinita in 2005. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's give this beautiful actor a huge round of applause, and may we have the pleasure of inviting you and asking you to share a few words with our lovely audience.
Good evening, everyone. I don't know, each time I receive an award, I lack words. I'm so tensed. But it feels great every time I receive an award. एक energy मिलती है, एक boost मिलती है कि yes, I need to work harder और award मिलेगा. Definitely मैंने अच्छा काम किया, आपको अच्छा लगा, इसके लिए आज मुझे award मिला. Thank you so much for all the blessings and all the good wishes. Thank you Abhishek ji, thank you Raza sir, thank you so much. Thanks everybody, thank you.
Well, Tina, you're right. Everyone is just in love with your work in Uttarain, and so am I. Well, my dear friends, it's now time to invite on stage and felicitate Mr. Prashant B. Angre. Well, a very well-known name in the field of electronic media and television anchoring with Sahara TV. This award goes to him in recognition of his outstanding anchoring on political debate and also for his brilliant anchoring in the television show Dil Ne Phol Yaad Kiya, featuring the stalwarts of the film industry and their lifestyle chronicled so beautifully. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give Mr. Prashant a huge round of applause once again. Congratulations, sir. And the next award goes to Mr. Mayank Shekhar. Well, he is yet another dynamic media personality who has scored over his contemporaries with his prolific writings in the most competitive field of journalism. His bold and creative write-ups and stint with the Hindustan Times Mumbai has earned him a lot of bouquet and big bats apart from recognition as a top-notch journalist. In the present moment, he is a freelance journalist contributing to a number of publications. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly help me welcome Mr. Mayank Shekhar once again with a huge round of applause. Again, ladies and gentlemen, the next award in the International Gold Star Achiever Awards category goes to Mr. S.G. Agarwal. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Mr. S.G. Agarwal. Well, as the citation has already been read out, it's now time to felicitate and welcome him with a huge round of applause. Well, this was indeed the last award of this category. Now we move on to our next category, the Gem of India Awards. And may I now have the pleasure of inviting on stage and felicitate Mr. Alok Roy. Well, friends, for his relentless services as a director of Epitome, a premier institute having top-notch employees and entrepreneurs on its board, it specializes in IT, journalism, and mass communication, fire, health, and safety. He is a man with a mission of eminence through excellence. Not only the institute has made a breakthrough with achievements, but he has won many awards for his contribution and services. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Mr. Alok Roy. Congratulations, sir. Moving further, my dear friends, the next award goes to Mr. N. Mahalingaya. Well, the award goes to Mr. Mahalingaya for his commendable achievements in the fashion world with Rupam Silks International and making Roop Millen a globally recognized brand. His 2 decades of experience and an eye for the fashion has made the brand grow leaps and bounds. Awards and recognition have always been a part and parcel of his journey. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for this man and felicitate him. Congratulations, sir. Well, my dear friends, I do understand that it becomes kind of monotonous, to felicitate and to applaud for each and every winner. But friends, it's a felicitation ceremony. Hence, I would request one and all to kindly help me welcome and felicitate all our achievers. Well, thank you so much. And moving further, it's now time to invite on stage Mr. Pramod Rane for his relentless services as a director of Airsonic Group. With his experience of 3 decades in travel trade, his mission being eminence through excellence, the company has